Addition means putting things together. Let's start with apples. First, we have one apple. Then, we add another apple. One apple plus one apple makes 2 apples. Now, let's look at the numbers. We have the number 1, and we add another 1. When we put them together, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Jack has 1 apple, and Mary has 1 apple. Look, Mary is giving her apple to Jack. Now, how many apples does Jack have? Let's count together. 1 apple, 2 apples. Jack has 2 apples. Great job counting with me. Addition means putting things together. This time, let's count with oranges. First, we have 1 orange, then we add 2 more oranges. Let's count them together. 1 orange plus 2 oranges makes 1, 2, 3 oranges. Now, let's look at the numbers. We have the number 1, and we add the number 2. When we put them together, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Awesome job! You've learned how to add with oranges and numbers. Jack has 1 orange and Mary has 2 oranges. Look, Mary is giving her 2 oranges to Jack. How many oranges does Jack have? Let's count together. 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges. Jack has 3 oranges. Great job counting with me. This time, let's count with bananas. First, we have 2 bananas. Then, we add 2 more bananas. Let's count them together. 2 bananas plus 2 bananas makes 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Now, let's look at the numbers. We have the number 2, and we add the number 2. When we put them together, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Awesome job! You've learned how to add with bananas and numbers. Let's learn additions with monkeys and bananas. Puku the monkey has 2 bananas, and Zuku has 2 bananas. Look, Zuku is giving his 2 bananas to Puku. Now, how many bananas does Puku have? Let's count together. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas. Puku has a total of 4 bananas. Great job counting with me. This time, let's count with mangoes. First, we have 2 mangoes. Then, we add 3 more mangoes. Let's count them together. 2 mangoes plus 3 mangoes makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes. Now, let's look at the numbers. We have the number 2, and we add the number 3. When we put them together, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job! You've learned how to add with mangoes and numbers. Now let's learn additions with Jack and Mary. Jack has 2 mangoes and Mary has 3 mangoes. Look, Mary is giving her 3 mangoes to Jack. How many mangoes does Jack have? Let's count together. 1 mango, 2 mangoes, 3 mangoes, 4 mangoes, 5 mangoes. Jack has 5 mangoes. Great job counting with me. Hi, friends! Let's recap what we learned about adding things together. We'll use our yummy fruits to help us count. Ready? Let's go! First, we learned with apples. Jack had 1 apple, and Mary gave him 1 more apple. 1 plus 1. Let's count. 1, 2. Yay! 1 plus 1 equals 2 apples. Next, we used oranges. Jack had 1 orange and Mary gave him 2 more oranges. 1 plus 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! 1 plus 2 equals 3 oranges. Then, we tried bananas. Puku had 2 bananas and Zuku gave him 2 more bananas. 2 plus 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! 2 plus 2 equals 4 bananas. Finally, we counted with mangoes. Jack had 2 mangoes, and Mary gave him 3 more mangoes. 2 plus 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing! 2 plus 3 equals 5 mangoes. You're so good at adding, friends. Let's clap for ourselves. We learned 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 2 plus 3 is 5. See you next time for more fun counting. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can have more fun together. And tell us in the comments below, what would you like to learn next? See you soon for more counting adventures.